Hello everyone, we are the group that's going to explain on how to get a student's permit.
Good day! We are here to discuss how to get a student permit. Pero bago ang lahat, bakit nga ba mahalaga ang pagkuha ng student permit? Unang-una, kailangan ito ng lahat ng gustong makakuha ng non-pro at professionals driver's license. Student permit means you need a licensed driver to be with you while operating a vehicle. The student permit is not a license yet, meaning hindi ka pwedeng magmaneho dahil technically wala ka pang lisensya. So, kung magmamaneho ka ng ibang sasakyan or any private vehicle, kailangan mo ng back ride o kasama na may hawak ng non-pro o professional's driver's license.
At narito po naman ang mga kwalifikasyon na ating kakailanganin sa pagkuha ng student permit. You must be Filipino applicant at least 16 years old. Dapat po physically fit at mentally fit ka. Dapat marunong ka po magbasa at magsulat in English and Tagalog. You must have unsettled traffic violation. So if ever nagkamero ka ng traffic violation, kailangan nyo po munang isettle ito. At dapat po makumpleto nyo rin po ang TDC o yung ating tinatawag na Theoretical Driving Course. At kung ikaw po naman ay isang non-Filipino or foreign applicant, dapat may at least 18 years old ka po na nagre-reside sa Pilipinas. At kung sakali naman po na ikaw ay isang foreigner or non-Filipino applicant, dapat po ikaw ay at least 18 years old at nagre-reside sa Pilipinas at least 1 month with intention of staying for at least 6 months. Yun lamang po.
Bale, ito po ang ating requirements about sa pagkuha ng student driving permit. Ang una po natin kailangan dalhin ay yung pinaka-APL na Accomplished Application for Permit and License. At ang second po nitong dapat nating dalhin ay yung medical certificate, original man of mismo photocopy. At need po ng pinaka-valid IDs. Example po ng mga valid IDs ay PSA, TIN IDs, and other IDs na for government na ID. And then, kailangan din po natin dalhin yung certificate of completion of the 15-hour na theoretical driving course.
Ito po yung ating kailangan at estimated cost para makakuha ng student permit. Medical certificate worth of 500 pesos, application fee 100 pesos, student permit fee 100 pesos, computer fee 68 pesos, TDC 100 pesos, total is 1,818 pesos. Please bring extra money.
At sa kabuuan, ang mga kailangan natin para kumuha ng student's permit ay APL form, medical certificate, 1 government valid ID, at certificate of 15-hour theoretical driving course completion. At wag nating kakalimutan, pag iproproseso na natin ng student's permit natin, kailangan may dalang pera at pasensya. And after 1 month na pagmamaneho natin na may kasamang non-professional and professional, pwede na tayong kumuha ng ating non-professional driver's license. Yun lang po. Thank you.